Hi, my name is Carsten Pedersen. I'm a doctor in animal science. I graduated from University of Copenhagen back in 2001 with my PhD, which is about energy system for pigs. Since that, I work at a number of universities and in industry, different countries. I work in Sweden, US, UK, and the Netherlands. And for the last 10 years, since 2011, I had my own company as a consultancy. I do provide consultancy globally across all livestock species and also into human. All mainly working on nutrition is my specialty, so it's very much about basic application of nutrition knowledge for all livestock species and also into aqua as well, to a small extent, and pets as well. The importance of nutrition cannot never be underestimated how important it is. For most livestock species, is 50% or more of the total cost. So be very aware about what is your nutrition, what are your animals' requirements for nutrients, what are the nutrients in your feed ingredients, are never something that's be underestimated. And it's really important that to be on top of that, and it's something we all can and should learn more about and keep on improving, be on top of that. Nutrition is also highly related to environmental issues, which is a global issue about how we can produce food for humans without make a lot of pollutions on a global scale and local scale as well. As mentioned, I work across all animal species, so I do advice into pigs, poultry, ruminants, calves and cows, and also across them different species. And that is really my passion about how to apply the nutrients knowledge, get that applied out to the users of it, make that knowledge available for everybody so they can use it. So as mentioned, I work with all livestock species, and that my passion is about how we best use the feed ingredients that's available, get the best value of them in a given situation. I look forward to communicate a lot more on Farming Academy. I would like to continue uploading courses related to nutrition, and that is both for monogastrics and also for ruminants as well. So that's it. I look forward to you to have a look at my courses, and always feel free to contact me if you have any questions or looking for a specific course and specific topic. I'll always trying to do my best to try to help you in your situation. Thank you. Have a great day.